Are you looking for ideas for organizing your RV bathroom? Well, that's what I'm fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Dawn and this is Younger Every Day. So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog and headed west. Now Cole's going to school and we are loving this crazy life. On this channel we take you on amazing adventures, do product reviews, and share tips and tricks for RV living, just like this one. So hit subscribe to join the Younger Gang and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun. And if you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. Every Tuesday we share new tips and tricks that'll help you on your RV adventure. Today I'm going to be showing you how we organize our bathrooms. Super exciting and glamorous, I know, but it's necessary, right? We all have to organize our bathrooms and make it look nice and neat, keep all the things that we need in a tiny little space. So I'm going to start by showing you the kids' bathroom and then I'll show you what we've done in ours. Yes, we have 2 bathrooms in our RV and that is one of my favorite things about this floor plan. I would not want to share a bathroom with my 4 children. I love them dearly, but it's fantastic that they have their own space and then Cole and I have our stuff in the other one, and let's just keep it that way. That's the way I like it. The kids' bathroom is small and the organization that we've got is pretty simple. So let me just show you what it is. So here is the kids' bathroom. They've got their medicine cabinet. We've got all their shoes stored on the wall. We've got a nice little basket up there. And then a small cabinet in the bottom. And their bathroom closes just with a sliding door. So first let's talk about their medicine cabinet. So for their medicine cabinet, I just put a couple of Command cups here for the girls' brushes and their toothpaste. Then in here, they all have the Sonicare toothbrushes. 2 of them aren't in here at the moment, but this is where they go. I have each of their chargers stuck down with museum putty. It is like one of our favorite products ever. I'll put the link in the description below for all of this stuff that I'm showing you today. The museum putty is fantastic. It holds their toothbrush chargers right there. We have added a power strip in there, also with Command strips. If you're trying to organize an RV, Command strips are your new best friend. If you're like me, you're a little bit scared to put holes and screws in the wall because A, they're really thin, and 2, who knows what you're gonna hit behind there. So pretty much everything we have hung up in our house is with Command strips. But let's keep looking. We've got another Command strip container right up there, and then their stuff's just set on the counter. It's pretty simple, really. So that's it for their medicine cabinet. We also have a basket right up here. We have 3 girls, so there's no shortage of hair stuff and lip gloss and fingernail polish and all sorts of stuff like that. Most of it lives up in that basket. The other hair things that they use more often live down here in this. Yes, that is another Command strip container. We also added a nice little square mirror here, held on with, you guessed it, a Command strip hook. Kenzie did not like it that she couldn't see in the mirror to brush her teeth and brush her hair and stuff, so we added that little mirror down lower for her and Ansley. The towel rack came pre-installed, but these shoe holders are like my favorite thing. If you find in the description below the shoe holders and you go onto Amazon, you're gonna see that they get terrible ratings. It's because people have used them with a 3M tape that comes with them. I tried that, they fell down, it doesn't work at all. But if you get the jumbo Command strips and put them on, I like to put them on upside down actually, because that way when I put the shoe in, it hides the Command strip. And those things are our saving grace. That is where all of the kids' shoes are. I've got a bunch on this wall right here. And I've got some above each of the doors. So there's plenty of room to store the kids' shoes. Any that they don't use super often go in storage in their room, but the shoes that they wear all the time we put in here. Cole and I have to put those up because the kids can't reach. I can only reach with the step stool, but it works out really well. We had no idea where to put their shoes, and this worked out great for us. Besides those things, they have their little cabinet underneath, and what we put in there is our toilet paper, and that's where the kids put their dirty clothes. As you may have heard me say before in our other videos from this organizing series, there are some changes that I want to make, but I wanted to show you first what we've got going on so that then I can show you what improvements we're able to make. But it works pretty well for us for right now. The dirty clothes is one of the hardest things because that's just a few dirty clothes in there, but when it gets to be a ton, then they fall out and the kids open it and it falls on the floor. So we need a better solution for that, but that's what we got for right now. And all the other piece of organization stuff we have in here are the hooks for the kids' towels. So each kid gets their own hook. Command hooks, of course, because what else would I use? So when they're finished with their towel and ready to hang it up, they just grab it and put it on their hook. And that's all there is really to the kids' bathroom. Let's go check out the main bathroom. So let me show you what we've got as far as organization in here. First of all, in the shower, because the girls do take a bath in here, we have a place for their toys. So you can see that right there. We have lots of shelf area, so we can put our shampoo and conditioner, all that kind of stuff on the shelves, which is nice. And then this is my favorite thing, the bathtub. And it's great. It's, you know, very loved. So it doesn't look as great as it did when it was brand new, but I still love it. I'll put the link for it in the description below as well. But it folds up and is plenty big for me to get in and soak. And the girls don't like taking showers, so they have that to take a bath in. And the way that we hold that up in place is, you guessed it, more command strips. So we use these command hooks with the elastic that came with the tub, and it holds it up great for us. Then let's check out the medicine cabinet. Just like in the kids' bathroom, we have these command strip cups that come, they're the Command brand, and we have those on there for our toothbrushes. On the inside, we have these nice acrylic organizers in both parts here, just to keep our stuff nice and organized. Those organizers come in a pack of 3, so those 3 came together, and they work great for my makeup, Cole's toiletries, stuff, contacts, and that kind of thing. And then Cole's got his razor down here. We don't have a power strip in here yet, but ultimately we want to put a power strip and then drill a hole to be able to plug in down here right below it all of the things that we need plugged in so that they can stay plugged in all the time. Right now, when he needs to plug this in, he pulls it out, plugs it in, and we just don't close the door all the way. Ultimately, we hope to change that, but that's what we've got going on for right now. So it stays nice and neat and organized. And then we also have a nice linen cabinet. So down here, we have our towels, some extra toiletries, more towels, even extra kitchen towels. And then up here, we've got all sorts of bathroomy stuff. So we've got these baskets with medicines and extra toiletries. We've got my nail stuff, cotton balls, all the stuff you need in your bathroom. Then up here we've got my oils, first aid kit, the drop-ins for the tank, all that kind of stuff. One of the things that we found for organizing that has helped us out the most are these wire shelves. We use them in pretty much every room in the house. They come in a set of 2, a larger one and a smaller one. You can use them like we've got here, just one, or you can stack them. So you can do like even a double layer. These cabinets aren't tall enough to use the double layer, but if you had a space that was, that would work really well. But we use these everywhere. As a matter of fact, I've got them in our cabinet below the sink as well, and I'll show you that now. So here's our cabinet under the sink. We shop at Costco, so we've got, you know, the Costco size pack of Swiffers. We've got our vacuum cleaner pieces down there. We've got cleaning wipes. We've also got these 2 metal magazine holders. In one we put toilet paper, and in the other one we put my hair stuff. So I've got a hair dryer, a straightener, curling iron down there. Up here we've got another metal shelf right there, and I put a nice little Target basket under there. That has all the cleaning rags and gloves and stuff like that. We've got our bathroom trash bags right there, some more toilet paper, and then just more stuff up on the top. So that extra shelf down there definitely gives us a little bit more room, just keeps it a little bit more organized. The towel holder was already installed in here as well. It also came with a couple hooks for hanging towels on. I'll show you what those look like. So it came with these hooks right here. We don't use those because if you put 2 big towels right next to each other, they will never dry. So command hooks to the rescue again. So we've got these bigger hooks. I got 2 of them and put them on opposite walls. And that just makes it where we can hang one up high and one lower down, and then they can be separate and dry a lot faster. So that is it for the organization in our bathroom. I hope that gives you some ideas of what you could do in your RV bathroom to get it all organized and nice and tidy. Now I want to know, what are your best tips and tricks for organizing a bathroom in an RV? I hope this video helped you out and that it gave you some great ideas for organizing in your RV. If it did, give us a thumbs up and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of this awesome community. And I hope you check out some of our other videos right over there. So, looking for the best products for organizing in an RV and sharing those with you? That's just another way we're living younger every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.